Hello everyone. Welcome to the LexisNexis Best Way to Prepare for Class Quick Tip video. My name is Paul Cooper, and I'm a LexisNexis practice area consultant based in San Antonio, Texas. I too went to law school, and after graduating, I now teach law students online legal research methods using LexisNexis at law schools in Texas and Oklahoma. As you embark on your legal career as a law student, one of the first priorities of succeeding in law school is being prepared to speak to your assigned cases when you get called on in class. This video covers 3 easy steps where I'll show you how to prepare for your first year of reading case law assignments while at law school. You will make a positive impression with your professors by understanding the important points of law in your reading assignments and communicating those to your professors. These easy steps are: first, read your Lexis case summaries and case briefs. Second, read your assigned cases from your textbooks. And third, review your Lexis Plus Headnotes. We will walk through those in just a moment. You will spend much of your first year of law school reading your assigned cases prior to attending your daily classes. You will often be required to brief those cases and recite them for your professors. Following these 3 easy steps will ensure that you understand how to use these tools to help build your own briefs and walk into class prepared. Lexis Plus is a complete law practice system used by attorneys, professors, and law students. This is the same interface you will use as a practicing attorney. Therefore, the skills you learn in this video can be applied throughout your career. So let's start. The first step is to read your LexisNexis case briefs and case summaries. Reading Lexis case summaries and case briefs before you read the opinion in your textbook gives you the confidence that you understand the key points of law and the advantages of knowing what to look for while reading your assigned cases. This will be extremely helpful in writing your own briefs and impressing your professors with your knowledge of the court's analysis and reasoning. This might seem obvious, but first-year law students often find that reading case law early in the fall semester is not exactly easy. To access your case briefs and case summaries, log on to your LexisNexis Law School homepage, and from there, you'll click on the red box that says Go to Lexis Plus. Or, you can simply go directly to Lexis Plus at www.plus.lexis.com. The next page is your main research page, which asks you, what would you like to research today? In the box beneath that, type in the citation of the case you have been assigned. The citation is located under the name of the case in your textbook. Or you can just type in the title of the case and select the correct case as it pops up beneath the search bar. Once you type the citation into the search box, Lexis Plus will immediately route you to that case. For today's example, we're going to pick Palsgraf versus Long Island Railroad Company. Let's enter the citation from your textbook as 248 NY 339 into the search box. You'll notice I didn't add periods or spaces from your textbook citation into the search box, as Lexis automatically knows how to look up cases using just the numbers and letters of citations. Once the case populates, scroll down to your case summary. Case summaries cover the procedural posture of the case as well as give you a brief overview of the facts and legal issues, and then conclude with the outcome as held by the court. Reading case summaries will help you understand your cases before you read them in your textbooks. Next, look for the blue case brief icon under the title of your case and click on it. You'll see the case brief for Palsgraf versus Long Island Railroad Company. Reading this case brief on LexisNexis before reading the case in your textbook will help familiarize you with the important parts of the case you'll be responsible for in class, as well as better understand the case. You'll see several important sections in this case brief. The first is the rule, as in the rule of law used by the court to determine the outcome of the case. Second are the facts. These are the most salient and important facts in the case the court used to help in its analysis to determine the outcome of the case. Third is the issue. The issue is the central question in the case asked by the court. Next is the answer to that issue. And finally, the conclusion is where the court gives its reasoning and analysis for answering the central question or issue. You are also able to access these case briefs by typing into Google Lexis and then the case name. The Lexis case brief will be at the top of your search results. Click on the search result and you will be taken directly to the case brief. If you are looking for the entire case on Lexis Plus, there is an easily accessible link at the bottom of every case brief. Your second step for class preparation success is to read the cases in your textbooks with the knowledge gained from your previous readings from your Lexis case briefs and summaries. Because you have read your Lexis case briefs and case summaries, you know exactly what to look for in your textbooks. Reading legal opinions is a learned skill. Lexis case briefs and summaries build those skills and give you an analytical advantage. The third step is to read your Lexis Headnotes. Lexis Headnotes are below your case summaries and are the rules of law relied upon by courts to make their decisions. Lexis Headnotes are taken directly, verbatim, from the court's opinions. This is important because by reading the Lexis Headnotes, you know the exact language used by the court in their opinion. It is important to understand how to brief your own cases, and these 3 steps will help you feel confident that the briefs you prepare for your reading assignments are on point and that you have a strong understanding of the points of law made by the court that your professor is expecting to hear. So let's recap. First, before you read your assigned cases from your textbooks, read the Lexis Plus case summaries and the LexisNexis case briefs focusing on the rules, facts, issues, and conclusions. This will give you the information you need to better understand the case as it's presented in your textbook. Second, after reading the case brief and case summaries, read the assigned case in your textbook. And third, review the LexisNexis Headnotes and Lexis Plus to understand the rules of law used by the court to make their opinions. It's that easy. Now that you know how to look up cases, case briefs, case summaries, and Lexis Headnotes using Lexis Plus, you have the knowledge necessary to make the most of your reading assignments, as well as create your own briefs and confidently walk into your classes prepared. If you want more information like this, Lexis has many quick tip videos to help you with your other law school assignments. If you need further assistance, you can contact your law school's Lexis representatives, or you can contact user support through your Lexis Plus account either by calling 1-800-45-LEXIS or via the chat link on your screen. Thank you for using Lexis Plus, and we look forward to working with you during your law school career.